Welcome back, everybody. And from the Right Line, welcome to the Right Line Garage. Today we're going to the next project from RockHard. So before we got sort of, stuck at home and everything started to get closed down, I'd actually started to order some new parts for Chewy. Now these are going to be, some of them, upgrades for a Rubicon prep. So in that way, this is a Rubicon prep video. Today we're doing rock sliders. So some of you know that we just finished up the Jeep Jamboree USA Table Mesa Jamboree in Phoenix, Arizona here a number of weeks ago. I coordinate that jamboree, and I'm replacing rock sliders on Chewy for one big reason, and it's because of this trail.
Little wheel stand, here we go!
So what we're looking at here is a trail called Lower Terminator, and this obstacle is called Z-turn. Now Z-turn is a rough obstacle for long wheelbase vehicles. The short wheelbase vehicles seem to do pretty good. Two-door J-case can get through there no problem. Four doors tend to have some difficulty through this line, although it is possible with some really careful spotting. Now we had some Gladiators go through this obstacle, or at least attempt. The Gladiator being just a little bit longer, no dice. I noticed on the two doors that I spotted through the Z-turn was that anybody who had the factory rock rails like this, they weren't quite wide enough. The problem is that their doors, well, it'd be that door over there, but anyways, their door got way too close to those obstacles, so I wanted something a little bit wider. Oh, coincidentally, the house is all painted. Last weekend, we had a painter come over and finish the house, and I think it looks great. Made in the USA. Ooh, super excited about this. Now, this isn't the only RockHard product I've got on Chewy. I've also gone with their RockHard Sport Cage, which you may have seen in one of my videos before. Now, at first glance, I love the finish. That looks good. Welds look really good. I'm happy about that. Really good and thick mount where it bolts to the body mount. Much wider step here. We're talking 4 inches of step width compared to about 2.5 here on Chewy. Okay, less talk. Let's get into it. Okay, first step is to get the factory rock rails off. Shit, that's a big quail. There's 2 of them there. One of them went underneath the tile already. The other one's checking it out. It looks like mom and dad trying to look for a place for a nest. Where'd you go? Yeah, I like you guys around it all, but don't make a house out of mine. Okay, so I got the driver's side mounted, and actually what I ended up doing was replacing the factory bolts for the body mounts with the ones that came in the kit, because the factory ones just weren't quite long enough once this mount is attached to the body mount. I put some medium strength thread locker on those bolts, ran them in, and now they're nice and tight. I went with this set of rock sliders because not only do I have RockHard in the Jeep already. And you can see that video. Anyways, I like the RockHard Rock Sliders. They remind me of the Schrokworks sliders I had on my old YJ. And they were bulletproof, and I beat the crap out of those. It's time to start on side number 2. Alright, there you have it. Driver's side's done. Passenger side is done. And let me just say, it's done a lot to not only the look of Chewy, but also the body protection. I gotta tell you, one of the other things I'm really gonna love about having this is a bigger step. To get up onto the roof rack. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it will give you something to watch while we're all being locked down in our homes. And there's more stuff coming actually for Chewy as well. Let me show you. Oh yes, I've got rear chromoly axle shafts to put in as well. The reasons why you want to frequently check your stuff. I found that I got a couple, well, at least the start of, one bad wheel bearing on the front of Chewy, so I bought a couple new ones. Lately, I have been buying all my parts for Chewy from Northridge 4x4. If you use the promo code LIGHTBRIGHT, you get a bit of a discount. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video, make sure you hit the like button down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and then hit the notification button down below so you get notifications on all my videos. Time to clean up parts and tools and such now and chill out for the rest of the weekend. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time.